Good morning, everyone. It's about 8:27 in the morning of Christmas Eve 2020, December 24th, and my wife just left for work, so it's time to get her Christmas surprise ready. So over the past year, through this whole COVID pandemic, she has been working nonstop. She's been an essential worker, a frontline worker, except she doesn't get much recognition. She's not a nurse, she's not working at a hospital, she's actually working at an animal hospital. And we know, especially here with these crazy guys. Stark, what are you doing? Stark, it's not time to open the presents. Hey! Come here! One second. Sorry about that. So, we know how important these guys are, and she's been working nonstop to make sure that these guys are nice and safe and have food and have medicine and get the care that they need. And at least where we're at, vet techs have really gone underappreciated. So we want to do something big for this Christmas. And so the one thing that she loves is her Jeep. She has a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited, the 4-door. And it was her dream vehicle. Her first vehicle ever was a Jeep TJ. And that was a 2000. And so finally, once we got married and we had the financial means, we bought her a 2015 Jeep. And so that's not quite her dream Jeep. Her dream Jeep is a white 4-door Jeep on 35s. She loves the big tire look. She loves the whole Jeep scene. And so we will be doing a Jeep build, but basically about 2 weeks ago, we bought some rims for her Jeep. And then about a week ago, we ordered her some tires, some 35 by 12.5 by 17-inch tires. And so we didn't think they'd be in for a while, but I got a call 2 days after we ordered it, and they are in. And they were able to get us in today on Christmas Eve to mount and balance them. So we're gonna try to get them mounted and balanced, get them on her Jeep later tonight, and hopefully Christmas morning we can share the surprise. So I'm gonna bring you along with me for this journey. Should be a lot of fun. If it works out, great. If not, she'll be happy either way. But we got a pretty good plan in place. So let's get started. We don't have much time. Our appointment's in an hour to get them mounted. So let's go. Stark, hey, sit. Do you think Mommy's gonna like her gift? Do you think Mommy's gonna like your gift? What about you, Annabelle? Do you think Mommy's gonna like her gift? Yes. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Come on, we gotta go. We got stuff to do. Let's go. All right, so let's take a look at these guys. So these are the Fast HD Summit wheels. They're 17 by 9, made for the bolt pattern of a Jeep Wrangler. So they should be pretty nice. They have that beaded look, but obviously they're just a one-piece rim. But either way, they look pretty good. She does know about the rims. She helped me pick them out. They weren't too expensive either, which is nice because we're always balling on a budget out here. So anyways, those are the rims. I think they will look great. I think they're going to work fine, and they're going to look good on our Jeep. So let's get these in the truck. All right, let's go.
So James, I'm also making a video about it, so hope you don't mind.
These are nice.
All right, so these are the wheels looking good. So pumped. So James, we're gonna come back tonight. So what's the excuse though?
Yeah, I think it was a good Christmas gift for Carter that I'm not dating.
Like basically what's gonna happen is I'm gonna be like you're gonna call me, text me, and be like, yo, James needs my help. Like, come on, it's Christmas
Okay,
Day,
I
you know.
o'clock at night.
And I'll be like, it's a surprise with Carter, and Sarah will be like, what is it? I'm like, I don't know. But when I come back, she's gonna ask. So like, what's something like big enough that you would need help? Like either I'm thinking moving something or building something, like putting something together, or something that's up tall. We'll figure it out. We'll let you know. Oh yes. Alright, so we just got home, dropping the tires off at James' house. He's gonna give us a call later and come up with an excuse for us to go over, and then hopefully everything goes to plan, and we can surprise him in the morning. We'll see you back at James' house. Alright, so we're here, we're about to do the tires. Everything so far has gone smoothly. Basically, we're gonna pit crew this, get it together, and then we are good to go. So we'll, gotta work, okay? Yeah.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Well, Chris, why don't you do the front, because we have a little more room here.
It sound right, boys.
Doesn't she know about the tires?
Yeah, she knows. She was with it when we bought them, but she knows what to do.
Other things I thought she's not good.
Yeah. All right, backs. We're working on as well as the tire, but so far they're looking so good. Pumped. Absolutely pumped. All right, so we have 3 out of the 4 wheels on. It is looking good. It's funny how big they look off the car once they're on it. Kind of dwarfs it, but I mean, man, that looks amazing. So we just have the last one, and then we are good to go. Got the spare on. Hell yeah. All right, we were just finishing up here, and honestly, it looks great. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. We'll go over everything. Yeah. Yeah.
They're pretty tight, man. I was just reefing on the other side. They weren't going anymore.
Hope she likes it. You think she likes it?
Right, make sure you tell her that her phone's gonna be on.
Yeah. We'll go over all of that because we're not fixing that.
Just come straight. Just come straight, okay? Yep, you're good. You're great. Come straight. Yeah, you're great.
Cool, thanks.
Yeah. And so if you want a different style, this is literally the exact style I want on my car. So
Oh, this is good.
cool. I don't know how good they're gonna be or not, but
If they're bad, then you get one.
cool. Yeah, but this isn't everything though.
Yeah, I got tires and rims
Yeah.
and a sweater.
Yeah, I showed her the sweater. Did I show you the sweater? I'll have to show you.
These are cool.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's not it.
I mean,
Come with us.
oh no. Okay. Do I have to go outside?
Yeah.
Can I go get a sweater?
Yeah. Come on. No, Annabelle, you stay in here. Stay.
I didn't pull into the driveway last night.
Weird.
Did you put the tires on already? What the heck? When? When you got up at 6 this morning.
Yeah, when I got him at 6, I did. James didn't have an emergency last night.
Oh my god.
I know it's snow covered, so you can't get the full look, but what do you
But now
think?
I want to go outside and drive.
Look, go to the back.
Oh, you did the tire?
Yeah.
This is why you weren't worried about it. 'Cause you figured it out.
Yeah, I figured it out. You know what we didn't figure out though? If the lugs would work or not. So I was so nervous, but
Obviously they work.
yeah, we might get different ones anyways, but
Sweet. Thanks.
yeah. Look at the angle, look at the poke. Got some nice poke.
I don't know what that means.
Like it pokes out.
Oh, the little stance?
Yeah, you got a little stance?
I was like, what the hell's it called?
Yeah. I got the call on like
It rubs a little bit.
it's just cause so this part
You gotta take that weather
has to
guard
come off. And I couldn't get it off last night at James, so yeah, we literally tried to pit stop it. So what do you think? So that is the end of our video. Thanks guys if you made it this far. We just spent the rest of the night hanging out and enjoying our Christmas. My wife, my brother, and I. Huge shout out to my brother Chris for all his help getting this done, as well as our friend James and Carden for the use of their garage. It was very handy, and it made for a great workshop for our surprise. So anyways, I know this was something a little different. We will get back to the car in the next video. Have a lot of fun stuff coming up for that. But if you did enjoy this, guys, hit that like button. Please subscribe. Every time I get a new subscriber, I feel so great, and I'm really trying to grow this channel as much as possible so I can share, our build and our story. So thanks, guys. Thank you for making this such a fun Christmas for myself as well as my wife, and we will see you in the future, in the next ones, as well as in future Jeep build videos. So if you like Jeeps, stick around because we will have some videos on that. Take care, guys, and have a great night.